Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be looking at the PCV issue on the S55 and N55 engines. This presents itself in a squealing like noise, very annoying little sound that will come up. The mileage varies. It's typically anywhere from like 40 to 80k miles. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like right now. So we're going to give it a quick second to build up the pressure. So PCV is basically your positive crankcase ventilation. It's essentially just a regulation of the pressure within the crankcase, so within your engine. When this little system fails, it will create a whining like sound. It's more like a squeal or a high pitch like whistle. You'll hear it build up here in a second. So there's a couple different fixes. The most obvious is just change the valve cover. When you change the valve cover on these cars, you're changing out that PCV system since it's built into the valve cover, the plastic valve cover on N55 and S55. So the other option is there's a little like cap that goes smack on top in the middle of the valve cover. People change that out. I don't necessarily 100% recommend it just because you have to worry about it sealing up and stuff like that. There's a lot of successful DIYs out there, but there's also a lot of people who just haven't been able to do it and they just change the whole thing. The proper fix is just changing the entire valve cover. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. We'll let it keep building up here, but it should only take just a couple more seconds. So right under here, you're not really going to see it, but there is that cap that you would then change out when it goes bad. That right there is the sound. It almost sounds like a belt is squealing or like a seagull or something. Every car sounds a little different. Some are extremely long, high pitch, one single whine. Others are a little bit more sporadic like this one. I'm also going to show you guys how to actually diagnose if it is your belt or pulley or if it's the PCV. In this case, we know it's the PCV, so I'm going to show you guys how to tell. So you let it build pressure, just like what it's doing right now, so it's more consistent. I'm sure you hear that right now. And you just do this. If the noise goes away, that's your PCV that's bad. You see how I put the cap back on? It immediately starts back up. So that's a quick and easy way to tell if your PCV is bad from your very own garage or driveway. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car off now because that sound is getting real annoying. So this client is in for a valve cover replacement. So that's what we're gonna get done today. This is coming out, the new piece is going in. He's not gonna have that issue any longer. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. Helps me a lot. I'll see you guys in the next one.